Good morning, everybody. Today is our final Saxon worksheet. We are on lesson 126, and we are going to be working with suffixes ER and EST. All right, let's start with number 1. Remember to repeat the sounds after me and try to think of what letters could be making the sound. Number 1. J, J, J. What letters make the J sound? Okay, we have J, G, final, D, G, E, and G, E. Okay. Number 2. Ning, ning. What letters make the ning sound? NG. Okay. Number 3. P, P. What letters make the P sound? P. Just P. Okay. Number 4. Z. Z. What letters make the Z sound? Z and S. Good job. Okay, number 5. T. T. What letters make the T sound? We have T, final T, as well as E, D. Okay, number 6. W, W, W. W. Number 7. Aw, aw. What letter makes the aw sound? O. Good job. Number 8. Oo, oo. O, O. Number 9. Makes that sound. N. Okay. And our last one, number 10, D, D. What letters make the D sound? D, final, D, E, D. Good job. Okay. For number 11, 12, remember these are just review spelling words. Number 11, all, all. I hope all of you are healthy. All. 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 Okay, and that's A, L. Number 12, fall, fall. Please be careful so you don't fall. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. These. Okay, repeat after me. Teacher, mixer, softer. Teacher, mixer, softer. What did you hear at the end of those words? Teacher, mixer, softer. We heard the sound. Good job. Now echo these sounds and listen for the sound that's the same. Softest, oldest. Softest, oldest. So what sound was the same there? Ist. Good job. Now look at these words. What's the same at the end of all of them? Well, the first three. Just here. ER. Now, if we cover up the ER, do we still have a root word? Let's do it with the top one. What's our root word? Teach. Mix. Soft. So yes, we still have a root word in all of them. Now, what do we call something that is added to the end of a root word? A suffix. Good job. Now, is ER and EST both suffixes? Are they a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? They're a vowel, and how do we know that? They begin with vowels. Good job. So, what do you think that ER might mean in these root words? Suffix ER means that something or someone that does something. For example, a teacher is someone who teaches. So I'm teaching you right now because I'm your teacher. And a mixer is something that mixes. So if your mom or dad, grandma or grandpa is in the kitchen and they're making mashed potatoes and they're mixing the potatoes to make them softer, they're using a mixer. Okay, suffix ER has different meaning in these words. What do you think it means? Oh wait, I'm sorry. I forgot to write these down. Okay, now let's look at softer and you can see it, older. These, with the word softer and older, ER is being used to compare two things and show that which one is more of something. Either something is softer than the other, or it's more old, like I am older than you. So anything else you might want to describe. So something might be hard. You might have a piece of soft candy and a piece of hard candy. That hard candy is going to be harder than the soft, and the soft candy is going to be softer than the hard candy. It's just used to compare. Okay, the suffix est. What do you think it means when you add it to words such as soft or old? It means it's the most. It's the most soft or it's the most old. So suffix est is used to compare 3 or more things and shows which one is the most. So most soft, the most old, or most whatever you want to describe. Suffix er and est are related when you compare 2 items such as pillows. You use suffix er to say which pillow is more soft. Suffix est is used to compare 3 or more items. It would be described the pillow that is the most soft. Actually, it is incorrect to compare 2 pillows and say one is softest. You should use er to compare 2 items and suffix est to compare 3 or more. So remember, er is only used to compare 2 items. Est, suffix est, is used to compare more than 3 items. And we already know how to code for suffixes. We just put a box around it. All right, so let's go to number 13 through 15. Remember, these are just going to be using our new concepts. Number 13, louder, louder. Please do not get louder than me. Louder, louder. Louder, louder. Louder, louder. All right, number 14, longest, longest. She had the longest fry. Longest, longest. Longest, longest. Okay. Longest. Number 15, softest, softest. Out of all the pillows in the store, this one is the softest, softest, softest. 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 Good job. All right, if you got any of those right, pat yourself on the back and thank your brain. Okay, let's look at 16. Let me move this over a little bit. Let's look at 16 through 20. Let's see, do we have a suffix or a final stable syllable? We do, we have est. So that means out of 3 or more things, something was the most cold. So we're going to put a box around it. And then what else should we do? A K back on our C. And then a macron on the O. All right, number 17. Let's look. Do we have a suffix or a final stable syllable? We do. We have ER. Okay. And what else? Do we have a digraph? We have TH. And then our I, is it short or long? It's short, so we're gonna put a brave. Okay, let's sound it out. Inker, thinker. So someone is thinking, they're doing the act of thinking. So they're a thinker. Right, number 18. Do we have a suffix or a final stable syllable? We do, we have suffix ER. So we know we're gonna put a box around it. And then do we have a digraph or a combination? We have a combination AR. So we're gonna put an arc. Sound it out. Armer, farmer. This is somebody who works on a farm. And we have a picture of one, so we're gonna draw a line. Okay. Look at 19. Do we have a final stable syllable or a suffix? We do have a suffix. We have EST, so we're going to put a box around it. And then a macron on the I. Sound it out. Kindness. Kindest. Kindest. So out of 3 or more people, someone is the most kind. That's why we have VR. Number 20. Do we have a final stable syllable or a suffix? We do have a suffix, so we're going to box the ER. And then we just need to code the E, no other vowels, so we know it's short. And I forgot to put the accent on the boxes. Alright, so let's go back through. We can tell that they're suffixes because when we cover it up, we still have a root word. We have cold. We have think, we have farm, we have kind, and we have sell, which are all root words, and they're all real words. So, unlike how some words might have ing, but it's not a suffix. That's how you can tell if you're ever not sure if a word's suffix or not. Alright, go ahead and do 21 through 25, and I will post the answers in a bit. Bye, guys.